Okay guys, it's another great video by the Junk Guys. Today we're actually removing an upright piano in Fort Worth, Texas, and I brought my son and his cousin. JunkGuysdfw.net in the house again, and coming to the first job of the day. We have a handful of jobs. We have about 6 of them today, but I'm only doing one because I have a torn labrum, okay? So about 3 weeks ago, I was playing volleyball on my volleyball team and I tore my labrum. Okay, I don't know what the labrum is, but it's something to do with my shoulder because it's in pain all day. All day I'm in pain because of this damn labrum. So the homeowner actually saw a video of mine on YouTube and knew the price that was up front. It was 200 bucks for an upright piano, and that's why he hired me. It is very hot outside, so be prepared because, man, here's the cool thing. This piano is indoors. Most uprights or grand or baby grands are all indoors anyway. I expected a huge piano when we came in here. It was a little small upright piano. Okay, so I brought 2 small dollies. These are small floor dollies. I call them floor dollies. I don't know what you would call them. So I had an idea to put one in the front of the upright and then one on the back end, and then use the yellow straps that Matty has right there in his hands. They're on the floor now, and strap it around the piano. I have done this numerous times and it's always worked. The force of the strap, how much you tighten it, keeps those dollies in place. That's what we decided we were going to do, but Matty had different ideas. He's like, hey dad, just put one on the end, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna teach him a lesson because I've been doing this forever, that this is not the way to do it. Well, we put one on the end, and guess what? It actually did work out. So watch. We're gonna flip this thing now. I'm thinking the whole time I'm gonna help him with this idea, but I doubt it works. I really thought it wouldn't work. And look, it's on the dolly. He just straightens it out. There was a big old weight difference, so we gotta put it right in the right area so the weight of it hits it properly. And man, it made it out this door little wedge place so easy. The cool thing, here's another cool thing, it didn't make any like little welts or scratches on the hardwood floor and even on the tile. But the tile did give us a challenge because this upright was actually really heavy. Most uprights weigh about, especially the big ones. The big ones weigh about 700-800 pounds. This one was weighing about 700-800 pounds, but it was a small upright. And every little gap between the tile was slowing us down. We managed to push it out. Did not, believe this, not crack any tile or scratch any tile too. These little mini dollies, these floor mini dollies are awesome, and I use them all the time. Whenever I'm doing an upright, it's the mini dolly. I rarely use a big dolly. Madison again had another idea to use a normal dolly. It was an aluminum framed dolly. It was not ours. The homeowner said, listen, why don't you try this? The reason it worked is because the tires, the little wheels on it are not inflatable. So they're totally all rubber. They're just rubber filled with rubber, and they're plastic, heavy plastic, I guess. And there's no air in them. We got it outside. We hit the bump pretty good, and then we strolled it down. Here's the scary part. I always get really nervous when it comes to parts like this when you make these turns, because look at this little caravan right there. It could have fell, and Maddie's not going to hold it. I'm definitely going to let it go. There goes the caravan, I'll tell you that much. So always be careful and take your time when you're moving a piano, upright piano, because they do weigh a lot, and once they tend to lean, you're gonna lose it. So having 3 people does help, and we were able to push it up on the F350. Really simple. This is my oldest truck. This is a 1995 F350 7.5, and it's a gas vehicle. It's the only gas vehicle that I own, but I only take it, I don't really use trailers on it. I only take it when I'm doing small jobs. So this truck still has room to make about 200, maybe 300 bucks more. So everybody, having these 3 guys did help out more. It makes the job faster. Don't ever try to remove a piano with 1 person. I always recommend 2 people. Having 2 or 3, it's going to be about the same time, but it helped out a lot. The homeowner was completely satisfied. He had told me that he called 2 other companies, and a piano removal company was going to charge him $600 to remove this. And he said, I called me. He did say he liked my videos, and that was up front with my pricing. and that's the only reason he hired me for $200. So that was pretty cool. All right, guys, so I hope y'all enjoy this, learn something from this video, and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. Bye-bye. About 20 minutes.
Do you dream of making more money with your business or creating a business that doesn't rely on you? You're gonna solve all of these problems and more at JunkCon 22. You're gonna gain something that's gonna make you thousands, hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars over the years to come. And as an exclusive deal for fans of Ricardo's content, you're gonna be entered into a drawing to win a brand new Sawzall with a full set of Diablo Steel Demon Blades. Click the link in the description to get your tickets now. Y'all are crushing it out there, and Ricardo and myself look forward to seeing you at JunkCon 22.